minutes on the clock, 60 to 70 questions, 4 domains on the blueprint. Remember, apply, analyze. Every agent's lightweight Linux, they call them Vantage points. But they sit there doing nothing till a test has been assigned. 3 Vantage points, Cloud, Enterprise and Dope. Cloud looks outside in, Enterprise inside out. Input's got the last mile, that's what it's all about. Cloud agents, ThousandEyes deploys them. You don't lift a hand. ISP send internet exchanges, W's, Azure, Google, Alibaba land. 0 setup, 0 config, just assign a test. Global user perspective, outside in is best. Enterprise agents live in your house, data center, branch and cloud, Linux package Docker, virtual appliance, VMware, Hyper-V allowed. Physical on a Raspberry Pi, but hear this one demand. It needs internet access to register, or it's dead where it stands. 3 Vantage points, Cloud, Enterprise and Dope. Cloud looks outside in, Enterprise inside out. Input's got the last mile, that's what it's all about. Bot agents ride the laptops, Windows, Mac, Room OS 11. Not DX, not XX, not MX. Last mile view is heaven. Wi-Fi, VPN, ISP routing, SaaS experience too. The end user's eyes on the network, seeing what they're going through. Synthetic user agent, that's any ThousandEyes agent, sending traffic real. Scripting agent means a transaction test, a workflow you can feel. That's what it's all about. Go! On the VPN, where do the agents go? But on the laptops, yeah, that's the first one that you show. Then an enterprise agent in the data center hosting the app. Both ends of the tunnel covered, no visibility gap. It's all about where you stand. Branch to SaaS and OP pair. Enterprise agent man. Customers hitting your APA. Cloud agents worldwide. Hybrid work and Wi-Fi. And bots on your side. Where you stand. Placement follows topology. Know the traffic flow. Security means proxies and firewalls. And check your infrastructures too. The right agent in the right location shows the problem's point of view. Ping and tracer out OM WAN. Every ThousandEyes test is in that band. It measures delay and loss and jitter. Reachability end to end. Passive just observes what's flowing. Nothing gets injected in. Passive just observes what's flowing. Nothing gets injected in. SN Met and NetFly fix flow. PSAMP real user spin. Needs a tap or is panning real traffic. Shows you volume and the mix. Real user TETs are passive too. And using both is how you get your fix. And using both is how you get your fix. Where you stand, man, visibility is IRE. Get your fix.
WAN Insights sees tomorrow, predictive, never reactive. Collects the SD1 router data, forecast what's attractive. Recommends the optimal path for every app and site. Apply it in Catalyst, SD1 management. That integration is required tonight. Predict the path before it breaks. Collect forecast, recommend, that's all it takes. Capacity planning in the glow. Know your baseline, know what's normal, know before you go. A baseline is your normal peak and off-peak history. Averages, percentile, standard deviation, no mystery. Set your alert thresholds from mills from it. Update as things change. Dynamic baselines in the alert rules keep you in the range. Embedded agents know the list. Catalyst 93 and 9400. Meraki MX pre-installed, no hardware to be plundered. Room OS has Ender but in the firm on. Secure clients got the Model 2. But SD1 your routers, not pre-installed, Vantage deploys for you. APA for custom tools, powerful but not real time. Webhooks push on alert triggers, serving Navio down the line. Open Telemo streams in real time to a platform of your choosing. It stores, it draws, it alerts elsewhere. That's the trade-off you're using. ThousandEyes for internet, cloud, and SaaS, the digital experience view. Meraki Insights if you're Meraki. App dynamics when apps are the clue. Catalyst Center runs a Cisco campus with AI/ML in its brain. SD1 manager, policy, zero touch. Each platform has its capacity planning in the cloud. Know your baseline, know what's normal, know before you go.
App hosting on the Catalyst, Nexus, routers, Docker in the box. The order is the gospel. Install, activate, start, unlocks. Tearing down, reverse it, stop. Deactivate, UNAN stall. Tearing down, reverse it, stop. Deactivate, UNAN stall. Change the proxy settings. Full restart cycle, y'all. Install, activate, start. Say it back. Stop, deactivate, unstyle. That's the track. Meraki, MX only, no R, MS, MV, MG. Know your deployment methods for the ENNA degree. Windows shop with Active Directory, GPOs, the play. Cloud managed remote hybrid workers. Intune saves the day. Mac Fleet, Monkeys official. JMF is best effort friend. Mac Fleet, Monkeys official. JMF is best effort friend. Rumos deploys from WebEx Control Hub. Admin console, press send. Cisco secure client bundles in butt.
as a model in the pack. Push it from the AASAT, FTD, or iEasy Headings got your back. Installation, silent installation, no disruption to the crew. And don't forget the browser extension, real user tests needed too. Install, activate, start. Say it back, say it back. Stop, deactivate, unstab. That's the track. Meraki, MX only, no R, MS, MV, MG. Know your deployment methods for the ENNA degree. Install, activate, start. Yeah, Headings got your back. Deployment methods. Peace.
Routing layer BGP, prefix reachability, path change. Network layer agent to server, TCP or ISMP, range loss, latency, jitter path, bandwidth on the line. Bandwidth and MPU. Enterprise agents only. Enterprise agents only every time. Agent to agent runs between enterprise, UDP or TCP, through who you can find. 5 layers deep. Routing network DNS, web and voice, now say the rest. SD clone, transaction, APE, RTP, and stream and SIOP, that's the recipe. SD clone, transaction, APE, RTP, and stream and SIOP, that's the recipe. DNS server queries name servers, DNS traced walks the tree, DNSF checks the signature chain, records A quad Unix NSTXT, path trace packets 1 to 10, ping payload 0 to 1400, interval agents alerts, DSCP common settings never wondered, NBOL tests no user needed, HTTP server and agent to server, dynamic test once automated session, watch Webex, Zoom and Teams on call, real user test, one browser session, passive real browsing they keep, need the agent plus the Chrome extension, or the data's asleep. 5 layers deep. Routing network DNS, web and voice, now say the rest. SD clone, transaction, APE, RTP, and stream and SIOP, that's the recipe. SD clone, transaction, APE, RTP, and stream and SIOP, that's the recipe. Network access shows topology and wireless, SSD, signal channel view, labels with wildcards assign the agents, homes mine SSD, username to, NBOL proxy settings, scheduled test only, that's the rule to keep. Transactions run 5 to 15 minutes, recorder IDE writes the script while you sleep. Authentication, HTTP and page load take, NTLM, Kerberos, Auth 4, but page load can't do SMFA, transaction test, open that door, APE test, basic and Vera, only configured it step by step, basics for plain text, Kerberos needs that secret key rep, basics for plain text, Kerberos needs that secret key rep. 5 layers deep.
Page load and transaction tests can show the waterfall. 7 phases tell the story, baby, learn them all. DNS resolves the name, connect shakes, TCP hands, SLL negates the secret, check that cert chain stands. Read the waterfall, DNS connect, SLL, send and wait, receive, you know it well. And block means the browser's out of connection to spare. Combine those files with care. Combine those files with care. Send is the request going out. 4SX means the client's wrong. 5SX means the server's hurting. Different fix, different song. Wait is time to the very first byte. Server or CDN's to blame. Receive is first byte to the last. Compress the payload, tame the frame. Do unload. First object starts to when the last one's through. Page load. From the first request till it's rendered. Reader drags to. End up, agents burst every 5 minutes. Ping and tracer route rounds. Gateway, proxy, VPN targets. 24 hours of sound. Losses, packets gone missing. Latency's the time it takes. Jitter is the variation, and jitter's what voice and video breaks. Is it local Wi-Fi, gateway, CPU? Is it web, DNS or app, or the broader network, ISP routing? Correlate and close the gap. Disconnect, SIL. Read the waterfall, close the gap. Close the gap, yeah. Latency spiking, packet loss from everywhere at once. That's a DAO signature, cloud agency the front. For UMEC floods of TCP, UDP streams. And when floods hit the protocol, floods the app it seems. Reflection, amplification, NTP and DNS schemes.
Hijacked! Watch the AS path change. A more specific prefix, a shorter path. That's strange. Origin, ascend shifted. Availability drops away. Compare the past across the time windows. Find where they betray.
DNest, hijacking whispers, queries slowing down. NS records pointing to rogue name servers in town. Redirects to places no one meant to go. DNet's SSC is the answer. Authenticity, integrity, the flow.
Hijacked! Watch the AS path change. A more specific prefix, a shorter path. That's strange. Origin, ascend shifted. Availability drops away. Compare the past across the time windows. Find where they betray.
A root leak isn't malice. Its announcement's gone too far. Beyond their intended scope, that's the phrase that leaves the scar. BGP was built on trust, so traffic black holes in the night. Latency and loss come creeping. Path comparison brings the light. Path comparison, bring the light. Path comparison, bring the light. Every alert rule has 4 sections. Carve them into stone. Description, settings, notifications, and conditions stand alone. Conditions come in 2 layers. Global up above, location metrics down below. Thresholds that you love.
Round it down, percentage truncate, 14.7 never triggers 15, don't debate. Any is an or, all is an and. The same ancient round after round. Noise reduction man. 101 is the hair trigger, noisy as can be, but use it when you're testing abrasions. More rounds in a row. The same agent, higher thresholds. That's how the noise goes low. End of boat alerts, super memory percent. Wi-Fi signal quality, path ass and where the packets went. Scheduled tests are active, real user test. Our passive know the two. Page load, response time, experience score. The browser tells you true. 5 widget families on the dashboard. Sing them out with me. Live status breakdown, number 8 time series maps you see. Mean, median, stand deviation, and percentile measure shine. Embedded widgets need no login. Drill down to the test and time. Capacity planning, forecast bandwidth from the growth you found. WAN Insights pulls max bandwidth per circuit SD WAN manager's ground. Queues tags the packets, queues them. Priority gets through. Volume needs low latency, video needs steady bandwidth.